Hi, I'm Sonia at ISE 2023. I'm from Partilink. Here we'd like to showcase our product, that AV, an extender of an IP product. And it's an encoder and decoder technology with a transmitter and receiver. And we have a modular design so that it can support alternative feature and system scope scalable. And we also have a control box as the software to control the system. For example, the extender transmitter, receive one pair of transmitter to one pair of receiver extender system, and also multiple transmitter and multiple receiver to build a matrix system. Meanwhile, it can also build a video wall like this one, and maximum the video wall can be 8 by 8 video wall. And through that, you can control from our control box. So for more information about the product, please visit our website, www.partilink.com.